Hello, powerful manifestors. Welcome to my channel. I'm Victoria Gallagher, the Law of Attraction hypnotist, and what I'm about to share with you will significantly change your life in a positive way. If you want success, this is the guided meditation to help you to surrender to success. And for best results, listen to this Surrender to Success guided meditation for the next 21 days. Listen to this all the way to the end, and if you enjoy this video, like it and leave a comment at the end. And for more powerful meditations like this one, then be sure to subscribe to my channel and download my HypnoCloud app. Let's begin. Taking a deep breath in through your nose and slowly breathe out. Close your eyes and relax your entire face. And as you inhale and exhale, allow relaxation to spread to your neck, your shoulders. And with each breath, feel the gratitude for each breath. Relax your chest. Relax your back, your torso, and your belly, all the way down to your feet and toes. That's right. Take this time for you now. Notice yourself drifting down more and more deeply, relaxed on each and every breath. This time is now for you to be successful, to be successful, to be successful. And all you need to do is believe you can be successful, and you will be. And all you need to do is let go and trust and surrender to success. Surrender to success. And know that you already have everything you need right there inside of you. You have everything you need right inside of you. Believe it. All the power, all the answers are inside of you and will be revealed to you at the right time in the right way. And you will be ready to act. It can come to you so effortlessly. All you have to do is trust and surrender and let go. Imagine yourself in that special moment. And whatever movie or image of success makes you feel so good, so successful. That's right. Let yourself be there now. Be there now. In that shining moment of success, you are there now with all the success you could ever want. This ideal moment of success. You have already reached that level now. Just connect with this moment. Put yourself into that moment, this moment. And as you do, let your subconscious mind help you to figure it out. That's right. You can just let go of it. Let it all go. Trust. Surrender. Let go of control. The more you let go, the more guidance and answers you receive. That's right. You surrender to success. Your subconscious mind is there to do all the figuring out for you. Just enjoy the process. Get clear about what success means to you, and trust yourself to be guided to do your part. This is so easy for you. All you have to do is simply allow yourself to feel all the success, which is yours. Specifically, clearly, what does that success look like, feel like, sound like, taste like, smell like? Bring all of your senses into that moment and experience it right now. You are a success now, and you are magnetizing all of the possibilities, all that you would ever need. You are magnetizing all of that to you now. You attract all the success and abundance you could ever want or need. Feel it. Be there now. Be in that moment. And let go of the how. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Surrender. Surrender. That's right, just surrender. You simply draw in more opportunities to be a success the more you surrender. Opportunities just come to you naturally, easily, effortlessly. Surrender to success, because good things just have a way of finding you at the perfect time, in the perfect way, at the perfect place. Surrender to success because you deserve to be successful. And you can feel that way now by letting go of it. Letting it go. Letting it go. Letting it go. That's right. You're doing great. Surrender to your success because you've earned the right to feel it now. So feel it and surrender to it. Let it go now. Feel the gratitude for all your success. Surrender to being happy for being such a success. You welcome success. You surrender to success. Keep letting it go. Keep letting it go. Letting it go. Letting it go. Let go of the how. Surrender. Let it go. You can do this. You are ready and willing to just be a success. Be it. You can be a success right now by surrendering to success, by detaching, letting go. Your subconscious mind guides you every step of the way. As you step into your success, you feel a profound feeling of success. Doesn't that feel great? Doesn't it feel so great to feel so blessed, to feel so grateful? You are grateful. You are blessed. Just taking a deep breath and release it all. Let it go. Every time you take this time for you, it becomes easier and easier for you to return to this feeling of surrender. And now it's time to bring this feeling of surrender back with you now to this present moment as you slowly open your eyes and feel successful now. You did a great job. Come back tomorrow and continue reinforcing these suggestions. Thank you so much for joining me and giving yourself this gift of surrender to success. So if you like this video, then be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, share this video with others. Let me know in the comments how you liked this video and how it works for you. And for more amazing success sessions, download my HypnoCloud app, which gives you access to over 500 Law of Attraction and Manifestation hypnosis sessions right in the palm of your hand. It's a free app. 12 free sessions are already unlocked for you, and the rest of them are available to our pro members. Got to download that app. You're going to love it. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in the next video.